Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Carol the Diva. Today I'm going to be doing a very simple makeup tutorial, and as you can see I already did my eyebrows, so I'm just going to jump right into it. I'm going to use my Tarte concealer for a base on my lid before I add my eyeshadows. And now I'm just going to blend it out all over my eyelid. To set the concealer, I'm going to use my Huda Beauty setting powder, and I'm just going to dab a little bit all over it. To create the look, I'm going to be using this Juvia's Place eyeshadow palette. And I'm just pointing to the colors in this palette that I'm going to be using. I ended up using 2 colors only from this palette, and the darker shade I used from a different palette. And I'm using my blending brush to blend it out all over the upper part of my eyelid. So the dark shade that I'm going to be using, it comes from this palette, but for some reason I did not record it, so I definitely do apologize for that. Now I'm adding this gold color on that I showed you in the first palette, and I'm using my finger to apply it, and then I'm going to use the brush to blend it out. To do my wing liner, I'm going to use this Morphe eyeliner gel. When I'm doing my wing liner, the first thing I do is shape it out and then I fill it in, and this makes it so much easier. Doing it with the gel has been so much easier to me than doing it with the liquid liners. For some reason I feel like it's more controlled. Body nice. See I got them girls, them are moving right. See the girls, them I got me hypnotized. To prime my face, I'm gonna be using this Fenty Beauty primer. I do have other primers that I like to use, but I like to try new things. But yeah, definitely I do have my favorites. For foundation today, I'm going to be using my True Match by L'Oreal. This foundation is definitely my favorite drugstore foundation ever. I do not have a bad thing to say about it. So I'm just blending it all over my face using my damp beauty blender. To contour my face, I'm using my Fenty Beauty contour stick. It's fake.
To blend it out, I'm using the same beauty blender that I use to apply my foundation.
Body nice. See, I got them girls, them are moving right. See the girls, them a got me hypnotized. Them a make a bad man feel alright. Ooh, yeah. Man, I tell her when she call on.
Now I'm gonna conceal my face using the same Tarte concealer from earlier. So they say less is more, so today I decided to use less concealer than I normally use. Plus, I've been seeing a lot of people all over social media doing it like this lately, so it definitely doesn't hurt to try.
So baby, what you gonna do? Calling all your friends when they come through. So you give me your number one I control. So you really meant for the girls when they come through.
And again, I'm blending it out using the same beauty blender.
Say she really want, she try to be the one. Calm down, take it slow. Say the key, let my come in on me, yeah, them I give me low. If you tripping, let me know what you really want. Is it riding with me or you really dirt? Them my girls, them I tell me that you really not. Make up your mind, let me know if you really got.
It's fake.
Now I'm setting my concealer using that same setting powder from Huda Beauty.
Body nice. See, I got them girls, them are moving right. See the girls, them a got me hypnotized. Them a make a bad man feel alright. Ooh, yeah. Man, I tell her when she call on. Say you gonna get me when I'm on low. Man, I tell her
Here I'm using my bronzer from Wet n Wild to, warm up my face.
put me on a rundown.
This bronzer, I must say, is definitely one of my favorite bronzer. It and another one that I have from Morphe are my two favorite of all time. I'm going back in with my setting powder to set my nose, and this is something I like to do, especially when I'm taking Instagram photos. It brightens up under my eye a little bit and shape out my nose. I left it on for about 10 minutes before dusting it off so I could get the full effect of it. For blush and highlighter, I'm using my Blush in Bali palette. This is most definitely my favorite highlighter palette. I mean, I have so many other highlighter palettes that I should probably be trying out here and there. But for some reason, I don't know, I'm always going to this one.
It's fake.
Body nice.
To line my lip, I'm using a dark brown lip liner, and this is something I do all the time before I put my lipstick on. I'm definitely gonna try some other lip liner color, maybe some light brown and other color, but I'm just gonna use this one today.
Man, I tell her me she go low. Bad man, I put you in a photo. I count down, she a put me on a rundown. Go down, she a
I
give me
do
all a
apologize again, but I did not realize that when I was adding my lipstick, I wasn't recording. I'm gonna set my face using this LA Girl shimmer spray, and this is gonna give me some glow, you know what I mean? And here's the final result, you guys. It's really just a simple makeup look that you guys could follow. This is the same makeup look I was wearing in my previous video, the Bantu knot tutorial. So if you guys haven't seen that video yet, definitely go check it out. I had so much fun making this video, so I hope you guys really like it. Definitely give it a thumbs up if you do. And go ahead and leave me a comment. You know I enjoy getting you guys feedbacks. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and do so and hit the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I post a new video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!